Hey guys, so I thought I'd give you guys a little mini room tour. Sorry about my pimple patch, like it's bad. I'm getting acne like really bad right now, but today is MLK Day, so I don't have any classes, and so my first day of school starts tomorrow. So I'm a little nervous, but I'll definitely do a little vlog of the first day. But I'm just going to like do my room tour right now, just because I moved in yesterday. I was dropped off yesterday, and my roommate's not in right now, and just out of respect for her, I don't want to show her side or like, you know, make her feel uncomfortable. So first of all, this is my closet. Sorry if it looks like really messy. This is just like the room that I had, and I have a bunch of clothes. And then here's my little calendar, and then my lanyard that I never use, but I didn't realize how far away or like how into January we were, and I was like, OMG, I'm only already like 10 days in here. But anyways, here it is. And because I'm an architect major, I have my models that I did that progressively got to the final stage. And then I have some hats right there, and then right here I have my laundry basket. I don't know if you guys can see that. And then my towels hanging right here, and my clothes for tonight to sleep. Sorry about my nails. And then it's super cold here, like it's 20 degrees. So I have this like heavy jacket because I know I'm gonna be using this like every single time I leave. And then I have this nice little scarf. And then here's a mirror. That's me, guys. It's a little dirty, so don't mind that. And then I have my little Italian charm bracelet there, and my Dior, and then some little dryer balls because I didn't know where to put it. And then just like a bunch of essentials. This is what I got for Christmas, that little headband. It works really well. And then I just have like some extra things just for bed. And then here's my art caddy. I like switch it out every time. I just have like my face wash, lotion, toothbrush, and skincare. And then here I just have like extra stuff that I might need. Well, these are like the face mask, and then just extra things I might need during the semester. And then I have like jeans and pants there, and then extra towels because I switch it out every week, and then just extra shoes that I might need, like running shoes and then snowshoes, and then I have my clogs there just because. And then right here behind here is just like random architecture stuff that I had from last semester. Right here I just have all the food that didn't fit in my little caddy, but I'll show you guys that in a little bit. And here are all my shoes. Next I have my favorite station here, my little coffee station. There it is. Oh, there I am, bookies. Yeah, I just have the Keurig, and then the little Dutch Bros ducks, and then like a little water bottle to like keep refilling the water because sometimes I just don't want to go out. And then I have a little trash can for like the sweetener, and then the vanilla little creamer stuff. Okay guys, so this is my room, and let's just start like there. It's messy under my bed, don't mind that, please. So this is my desk right here. This is where I did all my models last semester, my computer, my keys, and then I have my plants, of course, and some holy water and some little Mexican candies. And then in this little drawer I just have like random stuff that I used last semester, like the pins and then the saws. It looks a little crazy, but yeah. And then here's my Awala bottle. This is what I actually use for class, for water. And then I have my other plant right here. It's grown so much, guys. It's insane. But here I have my Apple Watch, and then a little stapler. And then right here I have another plant, and then I have like a bunch of quartz. Right here is my beautiful pink little mini fridge and my microwave. And so I have my little Sonny Angel right here on the handle. But yeah, I have another plant right here. Behind that, I just have like a bunch of my stuff, like all my caddy stuff, like just random food, and then all like cleaning stuff, and my coffee stuff, mugs, my Celsius, delish. Here I pretty much just have my pajamas. It's a little crazy. My pajamas, and then some food and bowls. And then down here, just any extra things that I might need during the semester. I forgot to say, but I have like all my hanging stuff right here, like all my bags and my hats and just like random stuff too, honestly. And then this is just from last semester. I have hot chocolate, and then I have this little croissant, and then I have these paper towels just because you always need paper towels. Oh, and then here's the candy canes that I hung up last semester. Let me actually look at, I have all my pictures here with my friends from high school. And yeah, I have like fairy lights hanging. Let me show you. Okay guys, here are my little fairy lights. They're so cute. I love them so much. They're so like calming and peaceful. Next, I'm gonna show you my bed. So I had to like climb up here to get up. So this is what my bed looks like. Sorry, it's like a little messy, but I just have all my stuffed animals and then like more stuffed animals. Here, I just have tissues because I was like sick, so I just kept them there. And then I have my book, and then the little journal, and then my glasses case. Right here I have gum and just like a little Starbucks cup because that's when like it was my birthday and they drew a little dog for me, which was super cute. And then I have the rest of my Sonic Angels in this box. I can give you guys a Sonic Angel haul if you want because I have like a bunch of Sonic Angels, but that'll have to be like during the summer because I don't have all my Sonic Angels here. But yeah, here are my jelly cats. Over here, sorry about the coffee, but I have my little Woozy fan and then my little salt lamp. Up here, I just decorated with like some paintings. I got them from Target and they're so gorgeous. I just love them. Honestly, they're like kind of random, but I just think that they look so cute. So yeah guys, that's pretty much the room tour. It's not much. I just wanted to show you just because somebody from my old school wanted to see my room, and I don't know if she still did, but that's it. I'm definitely gonna do a vlog tomorrow to show you guys my first day. I already know that one of my classes got canceled, which is kind of crazy, but you know, it's whatever. So tomorrow I'll only have like 2 classes, I think. Yeah, it's just probably gonna be me like looking through where my classes are for like the next day. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed my room and my little room tour, and that's it. Bye guys.